debate why one day for Mother's Day. The trailblazers, the innovators, and the inspirators, and people who have accomplished a lot. And it's wonderful when you have such great leadership in one room, and to learn a lot from them. It is.
Right.
It's. We have to be lucky. I would definitely make her learn to self-defense.
Happy evening on Women's Day, Vijaya.
Thank you, and wish
So
you
we
the
just
same.
had a wonderful celebration of Nari event. You hosted really awesome. We all enjoyed thoroughly.
Thank you for joining, and thank you for giving great coverage of the event.
Sure, wonderful. So I have one quick question. We are from Bay Area, Ungal Kural. So how do you feel like? What's the significance of how much important it is for Women's Day? Actually?
You know, there's always the debate why one day for Mother's Day, why only one day for Women's Day or International Women's Day. Well, what's wrong in having one day? Maybe, you know, a focus. There's always a game day.
Right.
So always it's good to have one focal day wherein the entire universe celebrates women.
Women's Day.
Yes, yes, yes. And above all, events like this, especially, you know, we have had the trailblazers, the innovators, and the inspirators, and people who have accomplished a lot, and people who are making such a difference in the current community as well as the younger generations. Everyone in the room that you have seen, they're all leaders of one sort or other, and already accomplished women. But when you look around, when you listen to them, when not just the stories, I mean the approach to the life and what more can be done, it's always inspirational. I always find we think, yes, you're a leader, I'm a leader, and I'm pretty sure. But when I sat in the room, I became a student. I was in awe of all the women.
Okay.
So that is wonderful when you have such great leadership in one room, and to learn a lot from them. It is.
Right.
It's. We have to be lucky to be in that room.
It's thoroughly very inspiring. Definitely, it's inspiring for younger generation too. Like
Even for
I want
us,
to,
even for us. There's more
and
to
want to achieve
learn.
more, learn from them more,
Yes.
something
Yes.
like that. It's really
Yes.
amazing. And just one quick question: like, how do you see? We all think, okay, we all have like equal rights in modern days. Yes, that's true. But also, like, still, do you think some changes needed in terms of, you know, like safety? It's still needed for women in the current situation. It could be whether in India or in America, doesn't matter. But as a woman, do you still think some changes needed in terms of safety?
I always feel if I had a girl, I would definitely make her learn to self-defense to protect her. That's where I would start, because you said about safety.
Yeah.
Yes. I know government does a lot of.
We are hearing a lot of news.
Yes, a lot of news, and it is heartbreaking too. But I always think, as I said, that change has to come within human beings, but it's only getting worse day by day. Yes. But I do know the awareness. Why do we hear more of this now? It's because the awareness of, you know, you are a victim, don't shut yourself off. Just come out and speak. So that approach is really wonderful coming from parents, be it a small town, rural or urban. That is something. But I really think, all the women, all the young kids, I think we ought to learn definitely a self-defense course for sure. That is to begin with.
I think, I just want to wish and have a wonderful evening, and happy for giving us interview on Women's Day as part of like Ungal Kural from Bay Area Tamil Mandram.
Thank you
so much.
இந்த கான்வர்சேஷன் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு உங்கள் குரல். இது பே ஏரியாவின் தமிழ் குரல். நன்றி.